You crazy kitties and doggies. He's so crazy. Don't pull on him. Yeah, you're friends. You're not those kind of friends. You don't need to... Hey. Give him a rest. Give him a rest. Crazy. Guys, leave the kitty alone. Kitty doesn't want to do that. Do you, kitty? Huh? You don't want to do that. No. But you're purring, aren't you? Aww. Silly dog. Stop sniffing his bum. Yeah.